Okay, this is not going to be like our normal videos here. This is going to be our first ever episode of Storytime with Clawhammer. This is a banjo. It's an open back banjo, and you would play this banjo typically with the clawhammer style. Do one of those now. I love the clawhammer style, and when I was choosing the name for my company, I just kind of landed on a word, clawhammer, that I thought was cool. So what I want to do here is just play a little bit of clawhammer banjo, just so y'all can hear it. Maybe some of you folks have never heard clawhammer before. And then I'm going to talk about the future of clawhammer and the logo, and I'll tell you why in just a second. So that song, or the tune rather, well I guess it's a song because there are lyrics, that's named Hop High, My Lulu Gal. Old time music, for those of you who are not familiar, it's just early American music, so we're talking sort of a bluegrassy feel, but music that was created before bluegrass was a thing. So these are really old songs that were written in early America, and some of the music came over from Europe. A banjo, I believe, is originally an African instrument, but it all sort of melted together here in early America, and just amazing, wonderful music if you've never listened to it. Moving on, what I wanted to say was we are actually going to change the logo, the Clawhammer logo, here soon. I'm just sort of going to update it. And I just wanted to mention this because the last time I was really surprised by the amount of feedback we had from folks who wanted to weigh in on the logo and how they thought it should look and feel. We're going to stick with the hammer because I really like the symbolism of the hammer. It's also much easier to work into a logo than a banjo is. But we're going to stick with the clawhammer, and my thought is like a much sort of beefier industrial hammer. Something very similar to this, which I just got at an antique store yesterday. And I kind of want to draw it up in sort of like this, like a geometric style. So that's where we're going with this. I just wanted to give you all, at the very least, a heads up to let you know that that's what's coming down the pipeline. I'll remind you just once again, please, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do so, and like it and share it, because it really helps our video analytics when you do that.